You decide in the comments which sounds better, this Porsche flat 6 naturally aspirated or that V8, but not just from that, from when they're driving. Have a listen after the races, okay? Oh! It's a good one. Oh, it's close, it's reeling me in.
Come on, baby.
I had quite a bit of wheel spin and it went towards you, but then it was all fine.
Yeah, this had a bit of wheel spin, not enough. It was held back by its TC, so we can reduce that a little bit. That was pretty good though.
Okay, Sam,